Interns should prioritize networking during their internship because
it's really great to be able to not just see your role and your team, but understand how your team works with other groups.
Especially at Salesforce, where it's such a large organization, our employees work in such a variety of industries
that they'll only have exposure to a small fraction of what we do here unless they take the opportunity to make connections.
As well as learn about some areas you may know nothing about.
So if you're starting off your first couple of conversations, maybe you want to network with other interns first before you go on to reaching out to someone who's maybe at a higher level than you within the company, just so you can build that comfort muscle.
The more you do network or the more you do speak to people who are not your direct peers, the easier it gets over time. And so using the time of your internship to practice that skill is actually a really great safe space to do so, and will just set you up for future success.
I would say 99% of the employees at Salesforce are happy to help, assuming that their schedule allows.
I would say definitely be on time. It's great to show a first impression that you're on time all the time. Also, a list of questions does help if you're really nervous.
If you kind of research them a little bit, actually find out what their role is,
makes it really easy for you to go in and have a conversation with them. You have some common ground and you understand the place that they're working from and talking from.
One thing that I like talking about in my coffee chats, I always end up asking the question about their background. And it's always interesting finding out just like sort of the path that people take leading up to their position now.
My next question would be, what's the most impactful work that they've done in their opinion, either at the company or in their career, and what made it the most impactful to them?
One question I got from actually my mentor that I found in the internship was to ask them, what's the best piece of advice you've ever gotten from someone? I definitely would have prepared at least one or two questions about their role or any advice that they could give.
Reach out and keep that connection going. You can touch bases with them to make sure they're doing okay, and that speaks volume because that shows that you care and that you view them as an important person in your life.
One of the main benefits of networking is building your personal brand, especially when you think about how you can set yourself apart.
I think that this is just like a golden opportunity for networking and to create these connections, because I feel like there's a lot less pressure in opportunities like this.
Networking is something that you should definitely prioritize throughout the internship, because if you want to come back to Salesforce, hopefully you do, those connections might be opening the door to you getting a role on a team that you may not have interned with during the summer.
What you might be interested in doing for your next career move, and those connections that you made during your time here will definitely be valuable in the future, no matter what.
Don't be nervous. A lot of people that you're most likely reaching out to are in your shoes, and when you reach out to them, they'll understand. And at Salesforce, a lot of people are very open to talking to interns, and they want to discuss their work with interns because that's the future of the company.
Honestly, just go for it. The worst thing someone can say is no, but they would never say no. Everyone is super nice. Everyone wants to help.
You should just constantly try and remind yourself that this is kind of what you're here for, and you should really take advantage of it.